All right, look here, we got definitely something fresh, something good here. Colorado, okay, 2015, fresh trade-in for the action guys, which you can do very, very well, okay? Not only you got the breakaway mirrors, just in case, man, as I know if you're towing something, tight spaces, this can definitely help out, okay? Not only that, it's again, a 4 extended cab, so that way you know you're good to go with the 4 doors. We're gonna get to the back, I'm gonna go over some great things about that, okay? Okay, just to finish this one up here from the back side, again, you got your backup camera right there, but easy drop tail right there. That way you know for sure you'll be okay whenever you have it. And again, a lot of space, a lot of things that you can actually haul with the Tahoe covered just as well for you, okay? If you come in the back here for sure, this is inside. You'll see a lot of leg room, cup holders, just as well. And for the passengers in the back, that way they don't feel too tightened up. When you go into the front, you take a look here, it's all power seats, power windows. You also have the ability for the touch screen, and that connects with your backup camera. Come in, you'll definitely be able to test drive it, see how it goes for you. Again, it's a 2015 Colorado. Come take a look. Okay, here, just to finish this out for you, again, my name is Mike McKenna. Come see me, 125 Lenz Rd, and you can go over and take a look, and we'll go over everything from top to bottom with the actual vehicle itself for you. Again, it's a 2015 Colorado. You should see exactly what it can do. I'd like for you to come see me, and we'll go over everything together.